And what's up guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix YouTube app not working or opening problem. With that being said, let's get started. In the first place, you need to clear cache data of YouTube. To clear cache data of YouTube, you need to go to the settings of your phone and now find out the section called apps. Tap on it, tap on manage apps, search YouTube on the search bar, and from there you have to clear cache data of YouTube. Tap on clear data, tap on clear all data and hit OK. Once you've done that, check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, try next method. So next method is about updating YouTube app. To update YouTube app, you need to go to the Play Store and from there you have to search YouTube on the search bar and check whether your app is updated or not. If not, it will show you an update. So make sure you update your YouTube app. Lastly, you need to restart your phone. After trying all the above or all the method I mentioned in the video, you need to restart your phone in order to get rid from this issue. To restart your phone, you need to tap on your power key and from there you will able to find out the reboot or restart. Hopefully this video help you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech related issue. Have a great day guys.